Building understanding. The concept of erecting a framework. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, erecting a framework. This expression is not just about physical construction, it's a versatile metaphor used in various contexts. Let's unpack its meaning and usage, making it easier for you to understand and apply in your English conversations and writings. Erecting a framework fundamentally refers to building or setting up a structure. The word erecting comes from the Latin root erigere, meaning to raise or set up, and framework denotes a support structure or skeletal design that outlines or supports something more complex. While it might initially evoke images of construction workers piecing together the bones of a building, this phrase is equally powerful when used in abstract contexts. In a metaphorical sense, erecting a framework can be applied to various scenarios beyond physical construction. It is often used to describe the establishment of principles, guidelines, or systems upon which further ideas, policies, or practices are developed. Here are a few examples. In education, creating a curriculum might be seen as erecting a framework for learning. In software development, developers erect a framework by establishing a set of tools and libraries that facilitate the creation of software applications. In business strategy, a company might erect a framework for its operations, outlining the core processes and methodologies it will follow to achieve success. To fully grasp the phrase, let's look at some practical applications and examples. When someone says they are erecting a framework in a discussion about a new policy, they are essentially talking about laying down the foundational guidelines that will shape its implementation. Or, when a team is erecting a framework for a project, they are setting up the essential structures and plans needed to guide the project's development from start to finish. Erecting a framework is a powerful phrase that goes beyond the realms of construction, touching upon various aspects of our daily lives. Whether it's in discussions about education, technology, business, or policymaking, understanding and using this phrase can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. We hope this video has helped shed light on its meaning and applications. Stay curious, and keep building your English skills with us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you.